Hello and welcome. In this video, I will share with you a powerful and unique strategy that will give you high win rate, and this setup doesn't need much technical knowledge and anyone can apply it. It requires 3 indicators only. I will write them in description box. This strategy you will not find anywhere on YouTube as it's my own unique setup. Today I will share this setup with you, so please don't forget to support my channel and don't miss any part of the video, otherwise you will misunderstand different scenarios, as I really don't want you to make mistakes, because losing trades have bad emotional effect and I have gone through that. So watch carefully and attentively. So traders, let's jump to our video, and this setup that I will show you can be applicable to any market, whether it's crypto, forex or stocks, and you can apply it, but I am crypto trader so I will use it with Bitcoin. So you can use any time frame. I am using 5-minute chart. So now you will search for QQE signals for the indicator, and you will click on this one, and after this you will search for QQE mod, this one, and lastly you will search for EMA and MA crossover, and click this one, and now our basic setup is ready. So now next we have to change the settings of these indicators. So first of all you will do is let me show you. Here you will click this one, QQE signals settings, and you will change these settings. So first of all we will change this smoothing to 6 and this length to 18 and this factor to 10, and that's okay. And after this setting you will go to EMA setting, and you will change length of EMA to 15. So you can also change the style, it's optional, but I do it because it make the setup more visible. So okay, so now our setup is almost ready. So guys, for buy signals we will first of all wait for the indicator to give us a buy trigger. So after this buy trigger we will wait for EMA crossover. So here EMA crossover happens and we will look for the QQE mod. QQE mod, if it is showing increasing volume, we will go for the that trade. So we will open a long position from here. Let me show you. We will increase it here. You can set the stop loss to the previous 2 candles, or you can use it to previous swing, and here you can see the profit. We have a winning trade, and here you can see we can get out of the trade from the next indicators, sell signal or buy signal. So now you can see another signal. Let me show you. You can see here we have a buy signal, and you can see we have a crossover, and then we have an increasing volume in the QQE mod, and that's all our conditions are meeting. So we will open our position here, and we will increase, or you can see until our next sell signal. You can also use the crossover as exit point. So, or you can also use your profit of 2% or 1%. It's up to you. You can use any criteria for exiting a trade. So basically this strategy in 5-minute chart can easily give you almost 1.5% profit. That's average, and it can also give more than that in many trades. So guys, let's see some sell examples. So first of all, we will do the same. We will wait for indicator to give us sell trigger. After that, we will wait for our crossover to happen, and after that we will see if there is an increasing volume in the QQE mode. So after seeing the increasing volume in QQE mode, we will go for the trade. We'll open a short position from here, and you can see we will go from the here to until the next signal, and we will use the stop loss at the previous swing, or you can use it like I said in the earlier for the previous two candles. So you can then see here we got a good profit from this trade. So now let me show you here. We are getting another signal. The buy one was a smaller one, but we are looking for sell trade. So here you can see this short trade is going to a loss. So I will tell you how to avoid this short trade, so you don't have to enter in this type of trade. That although this, if you get early, you can make into a profitable trade, but I will tell you how to avoid these type of trades. So now let me show you another sell signal. Here is a perfect example. This one is a smaller trade of sell signal. The next one after the buy trade, let me show you. We will open another position, this one. Here you can see this trade, how much this got into our profit. Let me calculate. It's almost 2%, almost. So we will you can exit, as I said, in the next trigger. So I will share you with tips. So how you can avoid chopping signals. So first of all, you will use Bollinger Bands. I mostly use Bollinger Bands in my videos. So first of all, you will see the signal only when they are at the end of the Bollinger Bands. You will not use this type of signals that are in the middle of the Bollinger Bands. So this signal is also cross, and this one is also cross, because it's not meeting our requirement. So you can see how we can avoid a false signal from this setup. As you can see, we can get into, and any strategy is not perfect 100%, but you can optimize that. I hope you like today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and support my channel, and thanks for watching.